And last but not least, 1923 Ford Model T Coupe. When you think antique car, Model T, it's got to be one of the first or second Model A or Model T that come to mind. Black over brown, beautiful restoration on this vehicle. 177 cubic inch L-head, four-cylinder with a two-speed planetary transmission. So it'll go a little better than you expect. And it's got an electric start on it, which is no harm, no foul. I think it's a smart move to put that on.
So no cranking.
So no cranking. And it's fully functional.